India, the world's 9th largest economy, a nation on the fast track to economic growth.
Our economy is the world's 10th largest and 3rd largest by purchasing power parity. It does not stop here. We are one of the fastest growing major economies and are considered a newly industrialized country too. We are reaching new heights of achievements, accolades and recognition in global community. As we continue to perform and excel on international platform, it's time to work on one of the most imperative and crucial areas demanding immediate attention within the nation, and that is cleanliness and sanitation. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, initiated by our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, has raised new hopes and zeal in millions of Indian citizens who support clean, green India.
It's a great initiative by our Honorable Prime Minister. He has given this mantra, Clean India, Green India, Swachh Bharat, Swasth Bharat. Now we all have to come together and join our hands.
India is aptly called biggest open toilet of the world. According to UNICEF and WHO, about 1/7 of the world population still defecates in the open, in absence of toilets, of which 60% live in India. In rural areas, about 10% of houses have toilets, and rest of the people go for open defecation. Open defecation causes serious health implications like typhoid, cholera, diarrhea, viral gastroenteritis, hepatitis, etc. Only 33% of toilets in the urban areas are connected to the sewerage system. Sewage from the rest flows into open drains, causing contamination of ground as well as river water. The problem of sanitation just cannot be handled with campaigns and awareness programs. It is time to use technology and advances in biological sciences to tackle this problem. And when we talk about technology and think tanks of our nation, just one name gets reflected: DRDO. DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, one of its many breakthrough technologies which have proved to be a revolution in the field of sanitation is biodigesters.
Biodigester made of FRP or mild steel is equipped with an inlet pipe for human waste. The inoculum of anaerobic bacteria helps convert the solid waste into biogas that is let off into the atmosphere, and liquid effluent which can be drained off onto any surface and used for irrigation. This eco-friendly technology has several advantages over aerobic treatments such as no requirement of external energy, needs low nutrient, can withstand high loading rate with very low sludge generation.
Biodigesters are cylindrical or rectangular structures made up of mild steel or fiber or cement and brick construction with the provision of inlet of human waste and outlets for effluent and biogas. Fermentation tank is made of metal, FRP, and has the provision of immobilizing the bacteria in large numbers. Other methods used to treat human waste, such as soak pit or septic tanks, are not successful enough and need regular maintenance.
Septic tank is the most acceptable technology for wastewater management where sewage systems are not available. Size of a septic tank for a small family varies from 4 to 10 cubic meters. And large volume tanks are preferred to obviate frequent cleaning of the tank. This amounts to higher initial cost and space requirements, besides the foul smell of the effluent. P-trap is provided in the toilet to prevent foul smell of the septic tank in the toilet seat. To overcome the problems of conventional septic tank, DRL Tespo has developed BioTank. The BioTank has several advantages over the conventional septic tank system. The size of the BioTank is approximately 1/3 of conventional septic tank, and hence material cost and space requirement for building the tank is lower. There is no need to evacuate the tank, which is required for conventional septic tank at frequent intervals. This tank requires no maintenance and very little quantity of H2S is produced as compared to septic tank. P-trap can also be avoided, thus reducing the amount of water usually used in the conventional system. The biotank resembles a trench dug in the ground to about 1 to 2 meters depth and connected to sewage through an inlet pipe. A trench of size 1 cubic meter is sufficient to handle waste matter generated by 4 to 10 people. The inner walls of the biotank are of cement or brick with a thickness of about 9 to 10 inches. Another wall of about 5 inches thickness is present in the center of the biotank. An inlet pipe for the waste is present that connects the toilet to the tank. Its other end is 20 centimeters above the base of the tank. The outlet pipe for carrying the effluent is placed on the other side. Above the center wall rests several aluminium and metal rods running parallel and suspended from these rods are the PVC immobilization matrices that act as bacterial reservoirs, entrapping the bacteria after the first seed inoculum is introduced. The first seed inoculum of anaerobic bacteria is now introduced into the tank. These matrices act as the bacterial attachment sites within the tank and ensure the bacterial population in the biotank is always maintained at the optimum level despite changes in pH and excessive flushing. Routine and popular toilet cleaning agents can also be employed without affecting the bacterial population. Sewage enters the biotank through the inlet pipe. It then passes over the consortium of anaerobic bacteria that break it down into gas and effluent. The treated effluent comes out through the outlet pipe and can be used as such for gardening purposes or can be treated further by passing it over the reed bed system.
Biodigesters have an edge over other methods because of the following properties. It is very effective and eco-friendly, causes no groundwater pollution, no electrical power or chemical is required, 100% conversion of human waste into water and gas, that is, carbon dioxide and methane. It is odor-free. Pathogen reduction up to 99%. No sedimentation, hence no evacuation required for lifetime. Manual scavenging are totally eliminated by this process. No need of conventional sewage system. It is affordable and maintenance-free. Water can be used for gardening and gas for heating purpose. Requires one-time bacteria charging. Organic waste reduction up to 99%. Suitable for any geoclimatic condition. Bacteria can withstand a toilet cleaning agents. Biodigesters can be easily customized with respect to geographical conditions, number of users, mobile or stationary applications, and the economic condition of the user. Apart from this, low-cost single-house biodigesters have also been designed for rural sector of the country, which is long-lasting, requires little space, generates environment-friendly, safe effluent, and does not require any maintenance.
Biotank can be of different sizes, either for single house or multi-storied complexes. The technology works at a wide range of temperature. If a large number of toilets are connected, sufficient biogas can be generated, which can be used as alternative energy source. Its wide applicability, ease of construction, simplicity of design, zero maintenance, and excellent eco-friendly effluent quality makes BioTank an attractive alternative.
These bio-toilets can contribute significantly in nationwide cleanliness campaign, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, launched by our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. Let us all together work for a greener, cleaner and better India.